Mr. President, Mr. Secretary General, distinguished delegates. It is a privilege to be part of this historic occasion marking the 75th anniversary of the United Nations. We are convening at an unprecedented time. The impacts of COVID-19 have hit across lives, economies, and societies, with toughest burn felt by the weakest and most vulnerable countries. Today is an occasion to reaffirm our commitment to peace, prosperity, and justice. We, as humanity, have a responsibility to strengthen the UN and empower it as the center of multilateralism to deal with the complex challenges the world is confronting. Nepal's partnership with the United Nations has been ever growing in all three pillars. We have been providing one of the most dedicated and professional services to the UN peace operations for over 6 decades. The UN has been a key partner in our development process. We continue to contribute to the protection and promotion of human rights constructively. We believe that all human rights are equal and must be treated in their totality. Mr. President, the United Nations is at generational crossroads of continuity and transformation. It faces a test of delivering on the ever-increasing expectations to protect the neediest countries and peoples, to promote the